Scientists make a touch tablet that rolls and scrolls. Wow, this is a breaking tech advancement. Curious to know about it? Watch till the end. Research scientists at Queen's University Human Media Lab have built a prototype touchscreen device that's neither a smartphone nor a tablet but a kind of both. The device, which they have named the Magic Scroll, is inspired by the ancient paper scrolls. So it takes a rolled up cylindrical form enabled by a flexible 7.5-inch touchscreen housed in the casing. The device can be used for flipping through on-screen contacts quickly by turning a physical rotary wheel built into the edge of the device. They have actually added one on each end. The user is able to pop the screen out of the casing to expand the visible display real estate. The flexible screen on the prototype has a resolution of 2K. That's mind-blowing. The scientists also reckon the scroll form offers a pleasing ergonomically option for making actual phone calls too, given that a rolled-up scroll can sit snugly against the face. Though they admit the prototype is still rather large at this stage, that just adds to the delightful retro feel of the thing, making it come over like a massive mobile phone of 1980s, like the classic Motorola 8000X Dynatac of 1984. While still bulky at this research and development stage, the team argues the cylindrical flexible screen form of the prototype offers advantages by being lightful and easier to hold with one hand than a traditional tablet device such as iPad, and when rolled up, they point out it can also fit in the pocket. They also imagine it being used as a detection device or a pointing device as well as the voice form. And prototype includes a camera which allows the device to be controlled using gestures. Professor of Human Interaction and the director of the lab said, "We were inspired by the ancient scrolls because their form allows for a more natural, uninterrupted experience of long visual timelines." He also said that eventually our hope is to design the device so that it can even roll into something as small as pen that you could carry in your shirt pocket. More broadly, the Magic Scroll project is also allowing us to further examine notions that screens don't need to be flat, and anything can become a screen, whether it's a reusable cup made of interactive screen on which you can select your order before arriving at a coffee shop, or a display on your clothes. We are exploring how objects can be used to become apps. That's all for today, guys. Subscribe to this channel to get updated with the latest news, and it encourages me to do more. Share your thoughts on the comment section below. See you later.